Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we got introduced to Python and saw why it's such a popular language. Today, we are taking the next step, actually setting up Python on your computer and getting everything ready to start coding. Don't worry, this is super simple and I will guide you through every step. By the end of this video, you will have Python installed and ready to go. Let's dive in. First things first, let's download Python. Open your browser and head over to python.org and click on enter. Click on the downloads tab. Python will automatically detect your operating system, whether you are on Windows, Mac or Linux. You will see a big yellow button that says download Python with the version number. Just click on that and the download will start. Once the download is done, open the installer file. Now, this step is super important. Before you click anything, make sure to check the box that says add Python to path. This tells your computer where Python is installed, so you can use it from anywhere. After that, just hit install now. The installation might take a couple of minutes, and once it's done, you will see a screen that says setup was successful, and that's it. Python is installed. Now that Python is installed, let's set up a code editor. You can write Python code in basic text editor like Notepad. But trust me, using a dedicated code editor makes life so much easier. So I recommend using VS Code. It's free, lightweight and really popular. Here's how you can install it. Head to code.visualstudio.com. Download the installer for your operating system, Windows, Linux or Mac. So mine I'm using Windows. I'll just click on download. This will download. Once it's downloaded, click on the installer file. So the setup wizard will come and you accept the agreement and click on next. If you want to change the location where you want to install the Visual Studio, you can choose the folder. I will leave as is. So I'll click on next. This is the start menu folder. So click on next. If you want to create a desktop icon or any other things, you can do it here. So I will just click on next and click on install. This will take some time to install Visual Studio on your computer. So installation is completed. Alright, time for exciting part. Running your first Python program. To make sure Python is installed correctly, open your terminal or command prompt. On Windows, you can search for CMD, and on Mac or Linux, open the terminal app. Type this command python hyphen hyphen version. Click on enter. If you see the Python version, then your Python is installed correctly. Now let's write a quick program. Open your code editor and create a new file called hello.py. Open new file hello.py. So all the Python code will be having the extension of .py. Let's click on create. Let's create this on desktop. Now we'll write print hello world. Now we will save this file and click on terminal and click on new terminal. Now we have to run this code. So to do that, we can write python space our file name hello.py. Click on enter. So it says no such file directory. Actually, we have created our file in desktop. So we have to change the directory. cd desktop. So now it has gone to desktop, and by clicking the top arrow, we can select python hello.py. Click on enter. Now here you can see hello world program. That's it. That's your first Python program. It's so simple and easy to write. Now that you have Python installed and running, we are all set to dive into actual coding. In the next video, we will learn about variables and how to store data in Python. This is where the real fun begins, so make sure to stick around. If this video helped you get started, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Python tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues. I will be happy to help. See you on next video.